Want to start fresh with your Google TV? Maybe you're selling your TV, troubleshooting major issues, or just want to remove all accounts and data. The best way is to perform a factory reset, which wipes everything permanently. In this guide, I'll show you how. So let's get started. First up, open your TV. Then from the home screen, use your remote to navigate to the gear icon, basically your settings. Now scroll down to Device Preferences and open it. Then go to About. Scroll down to Factory Reset and open it. Now choose Factory Reset again, and confirm when prompted. But before going ahead with it, let me warn you that a factory reset will delete all your Google accounts, remove all apps, settings, and downloaded data, and return your Google TV to its original state. So, make sure to back up anything important before proceeding. After confirming the reset, your Google TV will restart and wipe out everything. Once complete, you'll see the initial setup screen, like when the TV was brand new. And that's it. If this guide helps you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Google TV tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.